Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to watch Fox News live on YouTube TV. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to access Fox News on YouTube TV, discuss subscription options, and explore some troubleshooting tips in case you run into any issues. Whether you're new to YouTube TV or just looking for a quick refresher, this video will help you stay informed with Fox News. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. We really appreciate your support. Okay, let's get started. First, you'll need to have a YouTube TV subscription. If you don't already have one, head over to tv.youtube.com and sign up. They usually offer a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. Once you have your subscription sorted, accessing Fox News is super easy. Just open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, streaming device, smartphone, or computer. Log in with your Google account that's associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Once you're logged in, you should see a live guide with all the available channels. Scroll through the guide until you find Fox News. It's usually listed alphabetically. Click on the Fox News channel, and the live broadcast will start playing immediately. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about what to do if you're having trouble finding Fox News. First, make sure that Fox News is actually included in your YouTube TV package. YouTube TV offers different packages with varying channel lineups. To check your channel lineup, go to your YouTube TV settings. On a computer, this is usually under your profile icon in the top right corner, then Settings, and then Membership. In the app, the location may vary slightly. Look for a list of included channels. If Fox News isn't there, you might need to upgrade your subscription. Another thing to check is your location. YouTube TV provides local channels based on your location. If you're traveling, your local channels might change, and this could affect whether you see Fox News. Make sure your device's location services are turned on and that YouTube TV has permission to access your location. If you've confirmed that Fox News should be available in your package and location, but you're still not seeing it, try restarting the YouTube TV app or even your device. This can often resolve minor glitches. You can also try clearing the cache of the YouTube TV app. The process for this varies depending on your device, but a quick Google search for Clear Cache YouTube TV your device should guide you through it. Finally, if you've tried everything else and still can't access Fox News, it's time to contact YouTube TV support. They have a help center on their website, and you can also reach out to them via chat or phone. They'll be able to help you troubleshoot any account-specific issues. And that's it. That's how you watch Fox News live on YouTube TV. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below if you have any other questions about YouTube TV or any other tech-related topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.